With a sleek cylindrical frame, 360 degrees of filtration, and an aerodynamic design, the Levoit Smart True HEPA Air Purifier is an elegant way to keep your air clean. Equipped with a high-precision laser sensor, your air purifier lets you view the number of airborne particles detected in the air while sending real-time data to the free VeSync app. From there, you can monitor your environment anytime and remotely adjust settings to your liking. Or if you prefer, connect your device to a third-party voice assistant for hands-free control. H13 True HEPA filtration captures 99.97% or more of airborne particles 0.3 microns in size, while statically charged fibers help trap 99.99% of bacteria and viruses. Meanwhile, the special ARC formula chemically decomposes odors and fumes to prevent second-hand pollution. The cylindrical design provides powerful filtration in mid to large-sized rooms, so you can enjoy fresh air whenever, wherever. Always stay in touch with your environment with the Levoit Smart True HEPA Air Purifier.